gonna come out. Wow, nice fish tank. It comes with a filter with a switch, a light with a switch. The filter doesn't have a switch, but it has a filter, the light, a net, some
stone,
gravel with a tree, I hope, and that's the filter box. $119.
Wow.
Let's get a perfect day.
Can you get
A devil's in the name of where's Marina?
Okay.
Huh? What's this? This is the slide? Okay. Yeah, and you can open this box, please. See what's inside, Fatima? And I give you the color stones for you, Fatima. And here's your fish net for when you go fishing, for the fishies. Wow! No kidding, they sent us a dragon? That is nice of them. That's awesome. Is this dragon for the fish tank? Like, it must be. That is cool. That is really nice of them. And what is this? Oh my god, they sent us an orange tree. It's an orange tree, and they even wrapped it in bubble wrap so it wouldn't get damaged. Wow. These guys are really caring about our tree. Look, it has a real swivel there so you can't see the bottom part. And here's some magazines and pictures of a guide to the aquarium. Here's the English version, care guide. And this is probably for under the gravel and the filter, but we'll find out later. Because this is the power filter. We're gonna figure out how that goes on, I think. Watch out, Tom. Watch out, I don't know what that is. We have to look in the manual. And we have this thing here. Oh, this is the instructions for the...
Can I open the colorful stone?
Sure, sweetheart. Can you wait until I'm ready here? Oh, they put glue inside here. How much? Okay. And then that's that, that's that. What is this for? It's wrapped very good. I have to get the scissors from outside. Okay, that's okay. We're gonna take the tank down. Watch out, sweetheart. We'll take the tank down here, and you can put the gravel in then and set it up. Okay, there we go. There we go. And I can set it up now.
Why so heavy?
I don't know, it's a little bit heavy. I'll help you spill it in. There you go. Now you have to move it around and flatten it out inside with your hands. Alright, go ahead. Landscape. Good girl. Fill up all the corners. Try to make sure this is all clean and there's no dirt going in the fish tank. See? It looks like a real bottom, doesn't it? Okay, now, sweetheart, you have to go get your tree. Get your tree.
Where is it?
Kapag abot pa niya, cheese on this on the page.
Tree?
I grandma.
Oh, I like it. That's my tree.
Yeah, come and plant your tree inside.
Plant my tree inside?
Yeah. Nice job. Okay, let's straighten that out a little so it's all covered. It should be a little lower from the front and higher in the back. So you can see it better. And then this should all be mostly in the back. The tree should maybe be in the corner, but first, let's get our beautiful boat. Wow, what a nice size. So, we could put it in the middle. We'll put it right about here. That's enough. And we'll put the tree right by it. Should we do that? Okay, we'll put this guy in the back because we don't really need him. Or maybe we won't even put him in. This and this. This in the back here. We can clear the gravel all the way there. There we go. And then put it on top. That's going to be nice. That's going to be really nice there, honey. What do you think?
Mm-hmm.
But if I clear the gravel from here, that's going to be better, I think, like that. Because now we have more gravel, and the fish have more room to swim inside. Put some in the back.
I cleaned the boat.
I think that's really good. And it looks like a shipwreck. It looks like a shipwreck. Okay, nice job. Now let's put it back up there. Thank you for helping me set it up. Alright, get this up here right in the middle. It's a waste of having it there. And we'll make a mountain here maybe.
Mountain hill?
Yeah. And in the future we can get more plants for you.
Plants?
Yeah. In the future we'll get more plants for you. Okay, now we have to fill it with water for Emma. But let me just check out this pump. So this is all for the pump. Oh look, they have a bunch of stuff in here too for the water. Ito ko, water treatment are using. Okay, we'll open the top like that. 1, 2, 3, and those, whatever they are.
Which one should you choose?
So obviously we need a filter to put inside here, and this is gonna hang like this, somewhere. And that's the lid, but we have to put something inside. I don't know, what is that, sweetheart? Oh, I see what happens here. Each one of these goes in each compartment here, like 1, 2, 3. One is, which one goes in first? The one which is your, doesn't matter which position it goes in. I don't think it does. Slim filter cartridge, BioClean. Best for tropical fish, blah, blah, blah. I don't know, let me just stick them in. Filter number 1.
This time now, but this time is very old. Goody, this time is very old.
Okay, filter number 1. Okay, where's filter number 2 now? Right here.
We're opening it.
Yeah, we're gonna open it and put it inside where it belongs. Well, I hope it belongs here. There is a difference between which side, but I don't know. I'll just put it this way. Hopefully it'll work. Alright, number 3. Filter number 3. Goes in here. And then we have this one piece in here. It's also a filter. So let's open it up. That's gonna go in this last and final slot. And then somehow the water is sucked through here. Goes through the filters and then back out into the water. Piccere facce da si io angle invece na butte piccere chip shop and then project invest maybe or butte go. Alright, so this thing I don't know where it goes yet, but I'm guessing it goes here, this way or this way. I don't think it goes that way because of the wires in the way. It must be this way. Yep. Okay, so that's in there. And then we... No? Doesn't fit on like that? Not fit on like that. It only fits on this way. That's weird. No more pieces? Okay, this is gonna go on. Oh, okay, I see. This plug is gonna go into this plug. This is an adapter for this one. So this will plug into here. And then we plug this in here. That's for the light too. Okay, so that's for the pump, and that's for that. There we go, the lid is on. And then we have the dashboard here. And then, let's see what else. Okay, so let's put that there. Oh, identical. But this isn't the extra one, this is the same one I had.
We need to fish me.
That's a grab for the city.
I think we need to fish.
The cat ate down there. Ano dah takin dah piece kita siapa? Mun ada move kita janda. Oh, I guess I meant. And then under fish on.
Look at our new friend, Dad. Yep, go to the new friend, Dad.
This is kita takin janda.
Go to the new friend, Dad.
Na fair.
Go to the new.
At the pipe nicker niya. Oh, I guess I mentioned I have to run down on janda. Got the darn it. I can just share. Pull out the pasta. It's not gonna food.
I'm sure.
Oh, maybe I have to jump down in now. Oh, I see. Great to get in there. I will need some of it. Maybe I didn't love me. I don't know. I check it on the wedge. I check it on the wedge. Not fair. Maybe at the lamagda. Bas, okay. I had to know that. I know it's small size. Is it better again? I was a funny janda, I was panda, and I feel at the barn nickers on the fair. Alright, so much? No, I can fall fair barn leap me on the cheddar. Bus, okay, eh? I needed the lid. And then we're all finished. Finally, we can fill it with water, sweetheart. This is gonna be awesome. Put the lid on. It just goes like that. There's nothing else. So this we could plug in. This is the ugly light on the bossy one. I'm gonna try to dig up the arch right there.
Oh no, कुछ नहीं चाहिए.
I'm gonna dig it and we'll get it. Good. Stuff for you. Put this over here. I put everything in here. And then I'm gonna go get the water now for you.
वो देखो पापा पानी
I'm
डालने लगे.
gonna put the water in now.
म्यूजिक क्यों बज रहे हैं?
Huh?
म्यूजिक क्यों बज रहे हैं?
No.
वो बाहर गाड़ी निकली.
Motorcycle. Okay, I'll put it like that for now. So I can put the water. Actually, I'll put the water in on this side, as not to disturb the beautiful tree. And this can go here for now. Okay. Oh, I need drops. I need drops for the water. So I'm gonna have to make the next one harder. When I put the water in, it's kind of gonna screw up the gravel. So I'll do it slowly. Look here.
Wow.
Yeah, because the last one is a little bit cold.
The last one is cold.
Mm-hmm. How dirty the water is. That's not good.
Not good. That was not good for Goldie.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, fish drop.
No, not vinegar, JD.
Hmm.
Come on.
Goody, come on.
How dirty is vinegar now? There you go. There's your new home.
Oh, wow. Clapping. Patu bakka parat ragli.
Yeah. All right, we did it. Okay, now the light is on, and then we have the other plug which I put right here. Here we go. 1, 2, 3. And it's gonna come out of there. Out there. Where'd he go? He's hiding?
वो पीछे पौधे ने पीछे चली गई है प्लांट ने पीछे चली गई है
Yeah. Hopefully water, see temperature, see? We could dump that bowl outside. He's gonna like it there.
Maybe Goldie can hide and seek.
Agar survival Jaina.
Maybe Goldie can
Say
hide
it.
and seek, Daddy.
Maybe.
Maybe she wants to be hide and seek.
oh
No, because his new home, he's a little scared. He doesn't know if it's any danger. So he's.
निकल आइए बाहर निकल आइए
Okay,